The gnome and the farmer, once upon a time, in a quiet little village nestled at the edge of an ancient forest, there lived a hard-working farmer named Thomas. Thomas had inherited his modest farm from his father and spent his days tending to his crops and caring for his animals. Despite his hard work, the farm barely produced enough to sustain him. One evening, as Thomas was locking up the barn, he heard a faint rustling near the old oak tree at the edge of his property. Curious, he approached and was surprised to find a small bearded gnome with a bright red hat struggling to untangle himself from a thorny bush. Well, what have we here?" Thomas said, kneeling to help the little fellow. The gnome looked up, his face red with embarrassment. "Thank you, kind sir," he said in a squeaky voice. "I am Grimble, and you've saved me from quite the predicament." Thomas freed the gnome and smiled. "No harm done, Grimble. What brings you to my farm?" Grimble adjusted his hat and replied, "I was out gathering herbs for a special potion, but I seem to have wandered too far. You've done me a great kindness, and for that, I owe you a debt." Thomas waved it off. "No need for debts, just stay out of the thorns next time." But Grimble insisted, "You may not know this, but we forest gnomes have magical talents. I shall use my magic to help your farm prosper. Come to the oak tree tomorrow at dawn, and you shall see." Though skeptical, Thomas agreed and went to bed, wondering if he'd dreamed the whole encounter. The next morning, Thomas approached the oak tree at sunrise. To his amazement, Grimble was waiting for him, holding a small wooden staff. "Watch closely," Grimble said. He tapped the ground with his staff, and golden light spread across the field. Overnight, the crops had grown taller and healthier than ever before, and the fruit trees were heavy with ripe apples. Thomas was speechless. "How did you—" Grimble chuckled. "A little gnome magic. Your farm will flourish, but there's one condition." Thomas frowned. "A condition?" Grimble nodded. "You must always give back to the land. Plant 2 seeds for every one you harvest, and never take more than you need. If you break this promise, the magic will fade." Thomas agreed wholeheartedly and thanked Grimble profusely. Over the years, his farm became the envy of the village, producing enough food to feed not just himself, but his neighbors as well. True to his word, Thomas respected the land, and the magic never waned. And so the farmer and the gnome formed a lasting friendship, proving that even the smallest act of kindness can yield the greatest rewards.